Hello everyone, this is Shanmathi. I'm from Tamil Nadu and I finished my bachelor's in electronics and instrumentation from MIT Anna University. After my bachelor's, I went on to work in Abu Dhabi for 2 years in oil and gas field. After completing that, I wanted to improve my skills in industrial automation and hence I came to India and looked for institutes that provide the same. I came across Technologics in Malleshwaram and it was the best choice I ever made. It's a 3 month course which gave me the postgraduate diploma certification. And throughout the course, they gradually progressed from the basics in PLC to the advanced projects. Uh, so I worked with PLCs like Delta, ABB, Siemens, Allen Bradley, and Mitsubishi. Throughout the course, I learned a lot, and the staffs were really friendly and they were approachable. And we handled packaging automation, conveyor automation, and motor speed control using VFD. And the motor control was my favorite project out of all the three. And I would definitely recommend everyone who is looking to improve their skills in industrial automation to Technologics. Thank you so much.